Hey there, and welcome to this quick tutorial on managing your privacy settings in the Quora app. If you're tired of receiving unwanted direct messages, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to completely disable direct messages on Quora using your Android phone. Open the Quora app on your Android phone. Tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now tap on the Privacy option, under the Who Can Send You Messages section. Choose No One to completely disable direct messages from other users. Your changes will be saved automatically. You can now exit the settings, and you're all set. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled direct messages on Quora. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more clear and simple tech guides every week.